In this video, we are going to look at how to create and manage multiple branches in Saletick. So, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard again, and I'm going to go to branches. I click on branches. So, when I click on branches, it's going to show me the different branches that I have. If I want to see more details about a particular branch, I just click on the drop down arrow here to show me it. If I want to delete it, there's a small delete icon there that I can use to delete it, and I can decide to click on it to also edit apart from deleting. Now there is a toggle button here that I can use to toggle on and off to set a branch active or inactive. Let me toggle it again. It becomes active again. Now to add a branch, either I click at the top here or I just go down and click on add branch. Now I can decide to add this branch name. Let me see. So now let me add a branch for us to see. I'm going to use a branch maybe in Abuja branch. That's what I'm going to call it. And I'm going to put the address. It can be anything in Abuja, number wherever, number 3, any street. Let me say any number 3, any street, Abuja, and then city. I will just put city as city. Definitely, this should be the name of your city. Then state, let me just put FCT as the state, right? Country, you can put Nigeria as a country, right? Now after that, I can click on this add branch. So once I click on this add branch, it has been stored successfully. So if I come here, I can now see that I have Abuja branch added. So I can decide to add as many branches as I want just by clicking on that add branch button. So this is how to add a branch in Saletick.